Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be making, sorry about the movement, I'm trying to adjust you guys here. What's going on? Doesn't want to lift up. Okay, I want to make a copycat shahadi's breakfast. I don't know you guys have a shahadi where you guys live, but shahadi is it's a mom and pop's uh, place where you go and you buy your breakfast. So I'm going to be making a copycat shahadi's breakfast. All right, guys. So I want to start by turning off my frying pan, and of course cooking bacon of your choice. My hands are clean. I clean my counter with Lysol wipes. You know, you have to have everything nice and clean. Yeah, guys, so let's make some breakfast. Hey, guys, this is quick and easy meals. So while I put my bacon to cook, I'm going to take an onion and some potatoes, and I am going to be slicing and dicing it in small little pieces. Alright. But the secret of this is that you're going to use your bacon grease to cook your potatoes. And yeah, guys, quick and easy meals. It comes to you every Sunday. And we share some recipes or whatever we're making, and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and Jean Home Decor and more. So guys, while this bacon is cooking, I'm going to grab two potatoes. I'm going to wash them really good with a brush because I leave the skin on them. And then I'm going to cut them all up and have them ready for when the bacon is ready, because we're going to use the bacon grease for that delicious flavor. All right, guys, so we're going to continue. Let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. Yeah, I could do it in the air fryer, but I needed the oil. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys can see this. I'm going to cut them in small pieces because you want them to get done quick. So I'm making the copycat home fries. And one of the tricks that I do is when your bacon come out of the frying pan, if it's not crispy enough, what I do is I put it in paper towel in a microwave plate in a microwave for 18 seconds. And that will make it nice and crispy and it will not be burned. And I'm using Idaho potatoes, guys. guys, I will not apologize for the sound in the background. I am listening to the Word of God. Today is Sunday. And we have to receive that spiritual food, which is the Word of God, besides food for our body. And I'm only making this amount because it's just my husband and I. I used to make a lot of this for when I was raising my kids. They used to love it. I will put it in my microwave to keep it warm. There was enough plate in the microwave. We'll leave that there. Then add your Meanwhile, you could either use lilac onions or yellow onions. I'm going to use yellow onions. I do have the purple onions, but I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to chop another onion, then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, we're going to season it. You add whatever seasons you like. So I'm going to add some of that seasoning. We're going to add some ranch, of course, garlic powder. I'm not adding any onion powder because of course I added a whole onion. And we're going to add some of this Mrs. Dash style. This I add a lot because it gives it a great flavor. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sazon, because shahadi, like I say, is the local place where you go get breakfast or lunch or dinner, and they use Spanish products. They're really good. And remember, these potatoes need to cook. After you brown them with the grease of the bacon, what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit of hot water. About that much. It's right here. We're going to add that there. And now that's going to cook. I'm just going to cover it and let it cook slowly there. This whole entire meal takes me at least 20 minutes. So of course I'm going to bring this a little bit up on high, medium high, and I'm going to let it cook. Shaking it occasionally not to stick to the pan and stir it. So meanwhile, I'm going to put some toast on the air fryer, and then we're going to make our eggs. All right, guys. The potatoes are done. I got them uncovered on very low fire. I'm using butter flavor. Yes, guys. I keep my eggs in my... I got this for over 15 years now, guys. I bought this when I used to work on my job. Guys, another thing that I do is I save my eggshells. I wash them really good, let it get dry. I make a powder and I put them on my plants. So that'll give them some nutrients. Well, one of my eggs broke. So I would add a third egg. So that's for my husband and he likes the yolk. So meanwhile, I'll get my plate ready. I will get my plate ready, guys. Make sure that you fry some nice and tenders. The eggs are cooking. Let's get some margarine or whatever you like to add to your toast, gel, margarine, peanut butter, whatever you like to use, guys. And butter our toast. Yeah, guys, this is the only thing that I have a problem with. Such a small place. All right, let me take out my wipes from here. I will sanitize everything afterwards. I hope you guys are doing okay in this glorious Sunday morning. Just let me take out 2 eggs there. Let's get rid of this. That actually has some space. I don't know about you guys, but I always serve my husband first. So that's what we are going to be doing. I did spray this. I don't know why I stopped. Need my spatula. Hold on. All right, let me finish the rest. Well, guys, I am serving. Here is the bacon. That's my husband's plate. And that's my plate. Guys, I have to say, I'm going to be adding black pepper on mine. My husband does not like black pepper on his eggs, but he likes a little bit of salt. So there you have it. And guys, let me bring you guys back and tell you, guys, thank you for watching. If you're new here, welcome. If you like what you see, subscribe, share, and for more recipes, follow along. And if you want to participate, just upload your video, follow YouTube etiquette, and put the hashtag quick and easy meals, put the host in your description box below, and we will play you to the playlist. And guys, come join us and grow. And here we go. Our Sunday morning breakfast, shahadi's copycat breakfast. Guys, from my family to yours, I'm going to tell you, bon appetit, mangiare. All right, guys, and we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye.